In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is open up a fresh Google Sheet and create these 5 essential column headers in row 1. You want name, start date, end date, duration, and a timeline calendar tracking dates horizontally across row 1 starting at column E. So under D2 with duration, what you want to do is enter the following formula. So you want it to be equal sign C2 minus B2 like so. And what you want to go ahead and do is highlight your entire timeline calendar grid area from E2 to the bottom right of your tracking area. Then click format in the top menu bar like so. And then you're going to see conditional formatting as one of the options from the drop down menu. Now, what you're going to see is a lot of different things, and then you're going to see format cells if. Scroll to the very bottom and select custom formula is, like so, and then input this exact logical thing in the text field. You just go ahead and, pause it if you want to, but it should basically just look like this, but you obviously want to put that in here instead. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you can press apply to range, and then you can select the range like so, or like select the table. Go ahead and press OK, and then you're going to go ahead and press done right here. It's then going to be able to make a Gantt, table for you, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.